So once you created a design and you have a blank canvas, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left side and you're going to scroll down and then select apps. After selecting apps, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in Animate Image. Select the first image which pops up, Image Animate. Then go down, then select Open. First thing that you need to do is you need to add in an image of your own. So I'm going to use this image here of a kitchen. Then I'm going to drag it and then drop it here. Afterwards, you simply need to describe your video. How would you like the video to play out? I'm going to say the camera must pan to the right side of the kitchen. And then there are two different types of motion AI. There is AI or parallax. So I'm going to use parallax here. And then you can choose the camera path, either horizontal, vertical, circular, then so on. I'm going to use horizontal. Then you're going to go to the bottom here and then click on generate. Now all we have to do is wait for 1 to 2 minutes. And as you can see here, we have the final results. So I'm going to play it so you guys can see what it looks like. So that is incredible. And then simply, if you want to add it to the design, you go to the bottom and select add to design. You delete the old one, the old image, expand the video. Then you can simply play it. And that's it.